Today, we're diving into a drink that's not just stunning to look at, but also packs a serious punch when it comes to your health. We're talking about hibiscus tea. It's beautiful, refreshing, and does so much more for your body than you might think. So let us get right into the 7 powerful benefits of hibiscus tea and why you might want to make it a part of your daily routine. First up, benefit number 1, it's packed with antioxidants. Hibiscus tea is absolutely loaded with natural antioxidants that help your body fight off damage from free radicals. So if you're dealing with issues like dull skin, constant fatigue, or even inflammation, sipping on this tea is like giving your body a little internal cleanup. Benefit number 2, it's a great friend for weight loss. If you're keeping an eye on your calories, hibiscus tea is a perfect fit. It's naturally low in calories and can help reduce that uncomfortable bloating feeling. A lot of people find that drinking it before a meal helps support digestion and prevents them from overeating. Now for benefit number 3, it calms the mind. This beautiful tea has a wonderfully gentle and soothing effect. It helps relax your nervous system, eases tension, and can really bring your stress levels down. It is the perfect drink for winding down in the evening or just taking a peaceful break during a hectic day. Moving on to benefit 4, it's fantastic for detox. Hibiscus tea has mild diuretic properties, which basically means it helps your body flush out excess water and toxins. So if you ever feel heavy, puffy, or just a bit sluggish, this drink can help your body naturally reset and feel lighter. Benefit number 5, it's good for your heart. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea can help support healthy cholesterol levels. This makes it a really helpful addition to your routine for long-term heart health, offering a bit of extra protection against issues like stroke or heart attack down the line. Benefit number 6 is its anti-cancer potential. Now it's important to be clear, it's not a cure. But hibiscus tea contains special compounds that research suggests may help slow the growth of harmful cells and support your body's own natural defense system. Think of it as adding another small but valuable layer of protection. And finally, benefit number 7, it supports digestion. If you sometimes struggle with slow digestion or occasional constipation, hibiscus tea can gently help keep things moving smoothly. It's a natural and easy-on-the-stomach way to encourage regularity. So how do you make this amazing drink? It's super simple. Just take a few fresh or dried hibiscus petals and steep them in hot water for about 5 minutes. You'll see the water turn a gorgeous ruby red and the flavor is delightfully tart. If you like it a bit sweeter, a little bit of honey is a perfect addition. You can enjoy it hot or pour it over ice for a refreshing cold drink. A quick word of caution though, hibiscus tea is quite potent. Drinking too much at once might make you feel a little dizzy or nauseous, so sticking to 1 or 2 cups a day is the perfect amount. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.